This is a message to all Anglophone English Cameroonian celebrities, I call them. This is a message to all of you. 90 or 95% of you are broke. Yes, 90% of you are broke. Despite the fact that you have the followers, you have 100,000, 200,000, 300,000 followers on Facebook, you are still broke because you don't know how to monetize your craft. Let me tell you something. None of my pages on Facebook has been monetized, but I make money through Facebook. You ask me why. I'm not saying you shouldn't monetize your Facebook. Yes, you are supposed to monetize your Facebook, your YouTube, your TikTok. But then when you don't have the knowledge, it's a problem. Not too much. Most of you are concentrating on the fame. You are famous, you dance and you do things, and that act of craft is supposed to have been making money for you. But most of you have not been monetized, or you are not yet monetized, be it by the platform or using your craft to make money, to monetize your craft. Too much. You're a content creator. You have more than 20, 30, 50,000 followers. You are not making any money from it. You create content, you post, or maybe you are blogging, you are not making money. Ask yourself, what is the purpose of being on the social media space? For people to know you exist? No. Sorry. You can't compare. That's why I have problem with people who want to think that supporting your own means you should hate Nigerians. No. Nigerians have understood that everything you do needs to create financial opportunities for you. And that's why they are making it big. Whether Facebook pays little money or not, they have actually turned everything they do on the social media space to give them money. It's either they go for brand deals, they don't wait for them to come. Pride is one of the things that have made most Anglophone or English Cameroonian celebrities poor. They think that to go and ask for opportunities is because they are downgrading themselves. Let me tell you, when you are out to hustle, go and find out for people who are traveling abroad. They will tell you the kind of jobs they do. They will never testify to you in public because it gives them the money, but it's not worth talking about. You see some people signing brand ambassadors deals. They advertise themselves. Everything I do on social media, I want to advertise myself, not for people to see my face. My family knows me, my friends knows me. I don't need a lot of people to know me who are not giving me anything. The people that should know me are people that are able to produce something. They're able to give me, I need to use them to generate income. You might have a big page up to 100,000, and yet you have never advertised someone's business on your page. You have a page of more than 50,000. You are not making any sense. There is no money from it, and you are just working and doing. First, most of you don't even know the do's and the don'ts of Facebook. Most of the celebrities have started entering my inbox, asking me questions because they have seen me posting about monetization. I want to ask you, what are you doing with the page you have? How much are you earning from where you are? When there was a time somebody came out and said people should not think that there's much money on Facebook. Now lie, there is money on Facebook. But now, how do you make the money on Facebook is the problem. Don't expect only the platform to pay you. There are people who earn from the platform. There are people who take brand deals. There are people who forcefully advertise people's businesses. There are people's businesses that have advertised on my page, the page that I lost before. And for instance, I can advertise a business for free, and it gives opportunity for people. There are people who never knew I can create videos for them. Even now, I can create even AI videos like this, and it's an advert for somebody I did for free without asking the person money. It creates opportunities. Start thinking on what to do. If you have a page of more than 30 to 50,000 and you have not yet monetized, please indicate in the comment section. Please, and everybody that is watching this video, share it with all those celebrities you know. Tag them in the comment section and tell them that they need to learn sense. They need to learn something. Stop behaving like people who don't reason. Ask yourself that you are on the internet space. Everybody knows your name, but yet you're not making a dime. A month runs down without your internet space giving you money. So what are you doing? Every kind of means of making money. I'll be coming back. I don't want this video to be short. I'm coming back with the next video to tell you the different ways I personally have used to make money on the social media space. But please avoid Ponzi scheme. Don't advertise them. It was a mistake I made once. I'll never make it again. But you, who is learning, who is listening, use this opportunity and create something for yourself. God bless you and see you in my next video.